Madam Chair, with the certification handed today by the city accountant as to the unappropriated surplus, may I move that we pass the disposition on the third item, letter A, on motion of Honorable Melvin Ramon Benafe, duly seconded by Mr. Elmer T. Santo Domingo and Honorable Hilda Gail R. Abonal Gomez, the committee resolved to recommend to the Sangguniang Panglungsod the passage of an ordinance appropriating the amount of 400,000 pesos from the 18,182,965.82 unappropriated surplus as additional funding for the purchase of motor vehicle of the City Agriculturist Office. So I move, Madam Chair. Second disposition is on motion of Honorable Melvin Ramon Givenape, duly seconded by Mr. Elmer T. Santo Domingo. The committee resolved to recommend to the Sangguniang Panglungsod the passage of an ordinance appropriating the amount of 1,822,241 pesos for road networks and 196,000 for flood control systems of the City Engineer's Office from the 18,182,965.82 centavos unappropriated surplus of the City Government of Naga. So I move, Madam Chair. That ends my report. Thank you.
From the city local finance committee, I will request this body that we calendar an invitation to them under unfinished business for the next regular session. I have something to ask the members of the local finance committee, particularly the budget officer, the city planning and development coordinator, the city treasurer, and the representative from the Naga City People's Council with regard to their certification, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Siguro, Madam Chair, idagdag ta pa, imbitaran sa ano yung committee yan pa di?
A privilege of a member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod to request.
Yes, yes. Pero anong committee pa di? Committee on
No,
Local Finance Committee. Siguro, Madam Chair, in addition to the request of Councilor Del Castillo, being his right and privilege to manifest, so on my part, Madam Chair, on my part, I also would like to request the presence of the city accountant, Ms. Ruby Singson, to shed light also. Ang sarabay na sinda. Yes, si Ma'am na Ruby Singson. In addition, duman sa composition katong local finance committee. Thank you, Madam. Next session.
next session, Madam Chair. Under unfinished business. The matter is the certification they submitted to us regarding that 18 million undeclared, quote unquote, surplus. All resolutions and ordinances be transferred to nominal voting and approved. Motion to adjourn, Madam Chair.